Dawson Medical have been working for over 10 years on a needleless injection system. This needleless injection system consists of a firing mechanism which includes a chamber and a ram. These are key components that Dawson Medical have been working on and developed process to manufacture them. The requirements are very exacting. The chamber requires a very, very fine surface finish in the bore, and so does the ram, which forms the firing mechanism. Also, the company has developed machines to specially grind to those demanding standards. These machines are auto bowl fed with inline inspection equipment. This investment over 10 years has been very significant, but made major inroads for Dawson Shanahan in the medical industry.